Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. I've already pulled out the cards to save time, so before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So I have a oracle cards here and the tarot here. So we're going to start with the tarot first. And let's see what is coming up for you guys for the month of December 2020. Let's find out. Taurus. Knight of Pentacles paired up with Two of Wands and Knight of Wands. I do see you kind of open to have new prospects coming your way to have or to start something new with someone. I do see you kind of open to receive love offers. I do see you kind of open to meet new people. I do see you kind of open to have new friendships as well. I do see that you really want to have somebody in your life. You really want to have a new beginning in your life where you start off a connection with mutual love, care, understanding. You are, or you maybe I don't think that it seems like you really want some sort of movement forward in your life with a specific someone. It doesn't have to be specific someone in terms of somebody from the past. It's just that you are wishing and hoping to start a new chapter in your life where you are with your special someone. Maybe somebody from the past, maybe somebody new as well. But yes, you are willing to have a person in your life who you could build a foundation of a relationship with. Be that starting off with friendship or be that reconciling with a specific someone from the past. But yes, I do see you very open to pursuing your love life now. I do see that. And I feel like it's something that you're looking forward to excitedly. It's gonna be a month where you would be open to have fun, to add new people in your life. And I do see you for some of you, you might be getting people in love offers in your life as well. And if that happens, I feel like the offers that you would be receiving could be coming from the people who are younger than you. If that happens, I feel like you would not be considering them because you really want somebody stable to enter in your life. Somebody who you could build your future with. So the kind of people you have here and there, it seems like they might be like for some of you, for some of them they could be financially well. For others of them, they could be the person, the opportunities, the offers that you would be having. For some of you, they could be somebody who is financially good but look wise you don't like them. For others of you, maybe they are look wise good but they don't have financial independence. So there will be like those kind of offers coming your way in the month of December. And what you are looking for is to have a stable person in your life who could add more stability to your life. So there is whatever you want, whatever you desire, you are not getting that. You are getting something less or something not the way or the type you like. So I do see that kind of attitude, that kind of energy coming up for you in the month of December, where you will be getting opportunities but not the way you want. Either they would be less than what you expect, or either they would be completely out of your expectations. You would not like to even consider or think about them. So that's what I'm picking up. Let's see what the clarifier has to add to the reading. But I do see people would be trying to basically impress you. And I don't see you getting impressed at all because there is something else you are looking for. Yeah, you are going to have your guards up against all these offers is what I'm picking up. you really want a stable home life. Maybe for some of you, maybe the person is going to be, to look promising, but then when you know that person, you're going to feel like, nah, this is not the type I want. So again, you're really looking forward to have a happy home life, and you really want somebody who could provide you that. But then the offers that you are getting are like, sick, is what I'm picking up. I don't see you having any better opportunity to have something stable with someone. I don't see that happening. Let's ask the question. Who do you want to be with Four of Wands? Who do you want it to be with? Somebody who could add stability in your life, who could add, some goodness in your life. Somebody you could love, somebody you could share your passion with, somebody maybe you love as well. For some of you, maybe you are, really looking forward to meet or have a reconciliation with a specific someone from the past, the person who disappointed you or you disappointed them. There are some blocks in that, connection here, and maybe that's why you're open to consider, the new offers. But deep down, you really want to reconcile with this, one person, and that could be the reason why you are not taking any offer that is coming your way. But I feel like, the offers, to be very honest, are not even good. So you will definitely have your guards up against those offers. But yes, you are looking forward to have a reconciliation with someone from the past, somebody that you love, somebody that you really I feel like you really want them to choose you. And so you could have a new beginning with that one person. That's what I'm picking up. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Goddess, honor your divine feminine energy. See your inner beauty. Love every part of you. You really have to know that you are worthy of love. And I feel like, you pretty much know that already. Maybe in the past you were not as good looking as you are now. Maybe you have worked towards your inner beauty, and that's how you are reflecting the, the goddess in you now. Maybe for some reasons you had lack of confidence, and now you have worked on that, and now you are, you know that, if they come back in your life, they are going to choose you, because you don't have any mental blocks around this, person now, or around your own self. So maybe you have boosted your confidence in one way or the other, and now you're waiting for them to come back or to reconcile with them. But there are certain blocks. Maybe they have blocked you, or you have blocked them as well. Let's see more cards here. Action. Now is the perfect time to take action. Take inspired action towards your dreams. Move forward with confidence. It's time for you to move forward and reach out to that one person confidently. It can be you reaching out to them, or it can be them reaching out to you. Whoever wasn't confident about this connection, I feel like, they are going to make a move towards the other person. Let's see. Flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. I feel like, you will be having a lot of opportunities to flirt around with, random people. For some of you, if you are really willing to reconcile with a specific someone, you could always start the connection again, or reignite the passion that you have for each other with some sort of flirtatious text messages or something around those lines as well. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. If somebody comes back from the past in your life, you really have to understand that this person has some other intentions. They might act as if they are being flirtatious, but deep down they really want a reconciliation with you. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. I feel like, you would be happily giving in to this connection with that one specific from the past. Now, I feel like, maybe both of you would be wearing some, some sort of mask in this connection. Why? Because of the past that you had with each other. I feel like, you're both going to act as if you both are happy, being flirtatious towards each other. But deep down, you both know that there is something stronger than that happening in this connection. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. I feel like, the way you have changed, they have also changed, themselves as well in one way or the other. Number 23 and 24, there has been growth, that you experienced on personal levels, individual levels, and now that growth is going to help you take this connection to the next level mutually. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you in the month of December. Plum. Overcome your challenges. Number 41. For some of you, like I said, maybe there had been some sort of growth, personal ones. There could have been, like, the confidence issue in a connection, which maybe made you fearful around your around this person. Maybe you've always felt like you are out of their league. Maybe these are your energies, like, you know, maybe you always felt like maybe they're never gonna like me because of my financial condition, maybe they're gonna never accept me because of this and that. Deep down you always wanted to have a connection with them, you always wish to have a connection with them, but somehow some, you know, childlike, you know, immaturity, I would say, basically stop this connection from becoming what it was meant to happen in the past as well. So I feel like, you know, now those, you know, challenges would have been, you know, you would have overcome those challenges, and now you are ready to give this connection the full chance, which might have been, you know, one-sided in the past. Then we do have the cherry number 9, live an extraordinary life. That's what you are destined to live with your this specific someone from the past. And I do see that this person and you are going to come back together. Maybe for some of you, you have started this connection on the very immature level, where you were like, you know, not taking this connection seriously, but deep down you both knew that, you know, you wanted something more than, you know, just the physical or just the friends with benefits kind of connection. So I feel like, you know, now you both are taking the mask off, and you both are not now, but I do see you reconciling, and after some time you both are going to take the mask off and tell the other person that yes, I am looking for something stable, something more beautiful than just what it used to be in the past. So yeah, this pretty much it comes up for you for the month of December. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.